What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We're gonna do a little walk around this car lot, point out all the new cars that have came in throughout the week. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. Check us out at maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping information. Also, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this all the time. Every car on the lot, we try to do a test drive and a walk around video of. It's easy to look them up here on YouTube. Just type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors, and it should pop up. Put that in the YouTube search bar. You can see all of our updated inventory at maplemotors.com. We do that every Monday. Got some pretty unique stuff that has came in this week. And we're about to get started here. We're gonna start up here in the front. Already sold the '69 Camaro. We do have videos of it online you can check out. Got a whole front row of Chevelles. This one right here is a 1971 Chevelle for $22,900. If you want to see under the hood, check out some of my videos where I walk around and do the test drives, or just go to maplemotors.com. I got close to 100 detailed pictures of all of these. This one here is a 1971 Chevelle for $22,900. Right beside it, a '67 Chevelle. Got a three of them in a row here. $29,900. It's got a big block under the hood. Another '67 Chevelle in black, $24,900. '67 in red, $26,900. The 454 big block. And then the '69 Chevelle convertible. This was $31,900, a very nice car. Old Cobra needs a bath, just came in. They were working on the roads last night. You see they ground down the road. We had to wash all the cars first thing this morning. This is a 97 Cobra sitting here, 6950, 5-speed. That just came in. We're gonna take it back and wash it off. It was put up. Just got pulled back up here to block the gate. Of course, the Nova, 66 Nova sitting here. This is a 4-speed car, $27,900. Got a good look to it. Guys, you want to get behind the scenes with us, see kind of what we do after hours and in the midst of working on these cars, follow us on TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. A lot of people are starting to do that, so I figured I'd tell you about it. This is a '67 Nova sitting here, louvered hood, $26,900. We got the Camaro for $25,900. I like it. It's got a great look to it. I believe it was a '73. Another Camaro sitting here. This one's $20,900, and that's a '70 model. Next to that, we got a '68 Camaro, $24,900. Lots of new stuff here. Got the '81 Corvette for $12,900 with T-tops. A '79 for $10,900 with T-top. A 71 C10 sitting here for $16,900. A 1940 model, $24,900. Lots of upgrades. Great running gear. The Angry Amish. Oh yeah. We're gonna make our way to the back of the lot, but we still got like this whole front here and the row all the way down the side. Right here's a 1955 Cameo for $34,900. Fiberglass bed on this one. This one here is going to be a really good piece. It probably won't last very long at all. I don't know if they put the price on it yet, but there's a real SS Chevelle that just came in. I believe this was a 68 model. Wheels, tires, nice pretty set of valve covers. It's going to be a good piece. Let's head on back over here and look at some of these trucks. Definitely filled the lot up back here. That's a 1972 C10 step side, $15,900, US mag wheels. It's like disc brakes, side pipes, side exhaust. Sorry, I can't talk today. Right beside that for $15,900, 1967 C10. Another set of US mags. Disc brakes on this one as well. Right behind that, 1952 3100 pickup truck for $21,900. In purple. Right beside that, 1965 C10, $16,900. And 1986 Suburban for $12,900. Really good shape. Corvette's not going to make this update still. I know we've had it for a little bit. We haven't listed it for sale. Of course, got a 1957 210 sitting over here with a 4-speed in it for $19,900. We can't sell our Maples van. All too many toys with that. The old Riviera for $79.50. I believe that was a 73. We're gonna be doing a test drive of it today. The old Ranchero, $99.50. Runs and drives good, got good interior. Just needs a paint job. 69 Falcon for $49.50. Probably the cheapest car on the car lot. An old Chevy Silverado, I believe this is an 06 1500, $69.50, 4-wheel drive. There's a camper back here. It's got living quarters in it. Check that out, it's on our website. The limo is not quite available yet. It's definitely unique. Sold the Mustang. We're heading back up to the front here. Do got a Rubicon for sale, if you're interested in that. That one is $12,900. F100, $14,900. This one is still available. It's a 69 model. I can't remember what year this Hummer is. I think it was like a 2000 to 2003. $99.50 on that one. If you're interested in a Hummer. The flatbed pickup, 70 model, $15,900. Let's go up here to the front, show y'all some more new stuff. Said, ooh-wee. Look at that. Got a good look to it. $28,900 on the 57. I believe that's just a 210. Got a good look to it. We'll be going down the road doing test drives of it shortly this week. GTO clone, $29,900. This is a convertible. Right next to that, we got a Impala for $24,900. I believe this was a 63 model. For $20,900, it's got a 348 4-speed in it. Does need a paint job, but it's a 1960 model Impala. Right next to that, for $21,900, a 4-speed 72 Monte Carlo. A little bit of a sold section back here. Let you just kind of look around. But then we got a Duster sitting here for $89.50. 1974 model. Test drive videos are up and running on this one. Cadillac Coupe de Ville 1972 model for $12,900. Right beside that for $10,900, 1977 El Camino. Then we got the Buick Skylark, $15,900 on this one. I believe that was a 72 model. And I'm not sure about this. I know it's an Impala wagon. It's got a lot going on, a lot of customization for $79.50. I'm sure it's an LT1 car. I'm about to pull it up and do my video on it, but look at all the custom pin striping. It's got it going on, don't it? The interior is nice. It's even got the seat that faces backwards. I used to love these cars. I still do. And one I'm about to go on a test drive right now. The old Monte. I'm gonna pop the hood, decode the motor. It's a 73 model Monte Carlo for $10,900. I'm gonna quickly walk back through the lot one more time. We're gonna start up here in the front, go all the way to the back. Make sure we didn't miss anything. I do appreciate y'all watching this video. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I try to post videos like this all the time, at least once a week, and then take these cars for a test drive, kind of look around for any scratches or issues. That way you know what you're buying before you get here. That's why I do all these videos. Definitely check out Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. Trying to stay involved in the social media game here. And of course, if you want to find any of my vehicles, go to my website, maplemotors.com. Look at our inventory. You see something you like, let's say you want to see this Camaro here. All you have to do is go back to YouTube search bar, type in 1973 Camaro, Maple Motors. 2 videos will pop up. Test drive and a walk around. And we do that for every car. We try to get them all before they sell, but then we leave previous inventory on there. We'll mark them sold. Just kind of give you an idea of what we do get through here. I don't know if you noticed at the beginning of the video, some music. I produce all that. Write the songs, and top right hand of your screen in the corner, you can follow that page as well. We're getting ready to walk up front to the showroom, show you some of the cars that are inside there. I can't wait to test drive that. It's gonna be fun. This is a very clean car with a candy apple paint job. A little bit of a sold section here. Try to tuck them out of the way, keep them off the front of the lot. All right, let's walk on over to the showroom. This one's already sold here, waiting for pickup. Personal truck. All personal rides here next door. We parked them in front of this building. That way we can drive them to work and have a little fun ourselves. This is our new showroom. Go ahead and cut the lights on. This should be a pretty good car here. It's got a big block with an AC. It is 32.9. But it's a 66 model Impala. Got a pretty good look for it. I like the interior on it too. This one's already on hold, but it's got fuel injection and AC. It's 22.9. That was a 68 C10. Some of them go on hold faster than others, that's for sure. Right behind that's another 67 Chevelle that we got in. This one's gonna be 28.9. Really nice car. One day they'll stick the 93 Cobra on the website. I don't know what the holdup is on that. Then I'll do the test drive. I had a lot of requests for that. The 1929 Street Rod for 27.9 over here. Looking pretty mean. And then, of course, the 55 convertible. Definitely the most expensive car on the lot. Price tag at $69.9. All original. And it came with all the options. All right, guys. I do appreciate y'all watching. I'm gonna go back over here and start doing some test drive videos. If you don't mind, share this video. It helps us out quite a bit, getting some of this stuff out, and it's all because of y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.